All right, today I'm going to tell you about 3 really cool features, including how we designed this home for you to survive the zombie apocalypse. Plus, at the end, I'm going to tell you about an incentive that is going to blow your mind. It's going to make you save $100,000 in payments. Feature number 1 is this incredible dining space. This dining area is humongous. You've got a triple door setup to let all the natural light in. If you like to have friends over and entertain, this is the home to do it in. Feature number 2 is a 2-down, 2-up floor plan. And what this means for you, we kind of designed this plan thinking of the family that's maybe blended together. Because you have the master suite on the first floor, and maybe you have a his, a hers, and then an ours. So maybe a lot of times we have the younger kids in the upstairs, and we have the older kid in the downstairs. That gives everybody their space, adults on the main floor, kids on the upstairs. It's a 2-down, 2-up floor plan. All right, and last but not least, third item here is the incredible zombie apocalypse pantry. Yeah, that's right. If the zombie apocalypse happens and you need a lot of extra food supply, this home has the pantry to do it with. I mean, this thing is incredible. All right, and as I told you about on that incentive, right now, Shaw Homes is offering the best incentive in the 38-year history of our company. We are giving a $40,000 incentive right now, and a lot of our customers like to use that towards buying down the interest rate. Now, if you do that with our incentive, we can buy down the rate so much that it would make you have the payment you would normally have on a home that is $100,000 below the price of this home. You heard me right, your payment would be that of a home $100,000 below this home. Not only that, but we'll still have money left over to bring down your price an extra $10,000. Now that is a great incentive, so call us today and we'd love to get you in this home.